Struggling to save money? In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 practical ways you can start saving money right now, no matter your income level. Stick around to the end because tip number 5 will change the way you look at saving forever. Welcome back to Fiscal Wisdom, the place where we make money management simple. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start saving, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. 1. Track your spending. The first step to saving is understanding where your money goes. Start by tracking every single expense, from rent to that extra coffee. Use free apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to categorize and monitor your spending. Once you see the areas where you're overspending, it's easier to cut back and save. 2. Automate your savings. This one is a game changer. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account as soon as you get paid. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, you won't miss it, and it's out of sight, out of mind. Try using apps like Chime or Capital to make automatic saving effortless. 3. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Subscription services are sneaky. Do you really use that Netflix, Spotify, or gym membership every month? Take a look at all your recurring charges and cancel what you're not using. You'd be surprised at how much money you can free up just by eliminating unused subscriptions. 4. Shop smarter. Sales and discounts are tempting, but they often lead to impulse buying. Instead, make a list before you go shopping and stick to it. Use apps like Honey or Rakuten to find the best deals online. You can also consider buying used items or renting instead of purchasing. 5. Create a budget and stick to it. Finally, the most important tip: create a realistic budget and stick to it. Allocate your money towards essentials first, like rent, food, and bills, then set aside a portion for savings. Apps like EveryDollar or GoodBudget can help you stay on track. Pro tip: leave a little room for fun, but prioritize your financial goals. Saving money doesn't have to be hard, it's all about making smart, consistent choices. If these tips helped you, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're planning to start saving more today. Check out my next video on how to invest your savings to grow your wealth.